Currently, here are all the components we have. I am missing 2, because this just came in. For reference, all of the components I currently have, the case. This thing is huge, and it can support up to 10 case fans. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It comes with 7 fans, which is really nice, and it was perfect because this is 3 fans, so it's amazing. I have actually not used a tower this big, so I am very excited to see how this thing looks. Yeah, this thing, I think it looks amazing, but what do you think? Let me know down below.